Assalam O Alikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you're fine, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. For purchasing any kind of Turban or Shima, you guys can contact to my own brand ideal. The WhatsApp number and Telegram number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful Amamah shape like Tariq Jameel for Jummah Tul Wida. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful Amamah Sharif and where.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهد يا صاحي كي تستريح وغص الدعاء الخفي الصريح يسعك الفضاء الرحيم الفسيح.
If you enjoyed this video and if you have, so give a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next videos.